Master Trader himself is super excited. I'm back again with another interesting video. This is a video of step-by-step on how you can actually get started with TD markets. So ensure that you get started with this wonderful blocker. If you get started with it, ensure that you use our link in the description, and also ensure that you join our VIP group free of charge if you use our link. So basically that's the thing. So to begin with, you're going to open this on the client side, not on the partner side. But on the client side, you're going to choose not Gold, but you're going to choose TDM Pro. With TDM Pro, you're able to make a deposit of as low as 10 USD. In fact, as low as 5 USD. But for you to enter a position, you need to have at least 10 USD in your account. So basically, that's the thing. So at least make sure that you use that. And here you're just going to put your basic information, your first name, your last name, and all that. So I'm going to quickly just sign up using my details as fast as I can, so that you can just follow along. So it's a basic signing up. Please ensure that you put your original details. So don't lie, because there's verification that will take place, and this has to do with money. So ensure that you just don't lie and put correct information. Basically that's the thing. So it's a quick one. The country where you come from, basically I come from Zambia, so I'm looking for Zambia there, and there we go. So that's the thing. So the country where you're coming from, put exactly the country where you're coming from, and ensure that you use our link. And when you use our link, ensure that you screenshot that you have made the first deposit, and you send your email, and we'll be able to add you up to our VIP group, and we're going to make money together. I'm posting each and every signal that I enter in that VIP group free of charge. The only thing is you getting started with this blocker, sign up, and we are good to go. Basically that's the thing. So here I'm just trying to sign up, and there we go. I'm just trying to sign up and ensure that everything is correct. So ensure that, guys, you actually use your original stuff. Don't lie at all. Verification is very important. So basically that's it. And if you have challenges with verification, reach out. We are sending details to TD markets itself directly, and you'll be verified in no time. So basically that's the thing. So you have nothing to worry about as long as you use our link. And if you use our link, ensure that also you download MT4. MT4 is a platform where we're going to be using to actually execute trades. So you download it to look like this, and ensure that you actually add the account. So basically you just go on add account and search for TD markets on MT4. It can be on a PC or on your phone. So you go for the real account there, and you're going to put your ID there, which they are going to send on your email. They're going to send as an email the moment you register. They're going to send the ID and all that when you just register with TD markets. So ensure that you download this MT4 in advance before you actually even reach that site. So basically that's the thing. So it's a simple way of getting started, but the thing that is so important that you guys should take note of is actually the signing up. Like here, you sign up on the client side, this side, the client side, and you get signed up. You fill in all the information, correct information, original information. Don't lie about your information. Everything should be correct and accurate. Basically that's the thing. And please click on register the moment you're done with everything. An email will be sent to you to look like this. We are going to have your login ID and your password. You can change this, your login ID and your password, but this is what you use to actually log in on your MT4. But with that, after registration, you are able to actually log in using your email and also your password to your actual TD markets official portal, where you're going to enter into your blockers account here. You're going to see your account, you use the account. Ensure that you put in your missing documents, which is verification. Very important process. I want you to follow me closely here. We're going to use our ID. In this case, we are going to use our driver's license. So you can actually just scroll there, and you can actually upload it, or you can actually just capture it. Allow your camera to capture it. You can capture it like that, and you're going to go on the next stage, which is your face recognition. You're just going to do that, your face recognition, and turn your face just like that. Yeah, basically that's the thing, and you'll be processed as facial ID. And there you're going to put proof of residence, your bank account, your TPIN if you're from Zambia, and your bill, anything that shows your address, and your phone verification. Very important. You're going to put your number. That's same number that you're going to put. It's the same number that you're going to be using for mobile money if you want to be depositing using mobile money. So you're going to actually verify your phone number there, and you're going to receive that from TD Markets, and you're going to verify your number, the number that you're going to be using even to make withdrawals with mobile money. So it can be MTN, it can be Airtel, in any other network. Basically that's the thing. So if you done with that verification, the only thing that you wait is for approval, and you'll be in. Everything is set. You can actually even add an account there. You can add as many accounts as you want. You can just click there where it says create or add an account. Then you actually just add an account there. It can be a ZAR account or it can be a USD account. You can just make sure that you put in your signature, which is your name there, and you click on submit. The moment you do this, you'll be able, just facial recognition, just a bit, and you put in your name, your full names as your signature, and the moment you just do that, you'll be able to create a new account in your blockers account. So it can be a ZAR, USD. Basically it's simple stuff, guys. So there you're able to see your account there. You're going to click on submit. The moment you submit, you have created an account. As simple as that. And in there now, you'll be able now to see on your dashboard that you have a ZAR account and you have your USD account, and there you can actually get your login details by just clicking on the account that you want to log in, and you can change your password from here. You can just get that login, and you can log in on your MT4. You can go from your trading account to your landing account. So what you do is you go on this option called transfers. Okay, I have to change it to desktop view. So what you do is you go on these options called transfers. Then when you go transfers, internal transfers. So on the internal transfers, you go here, you choose which account you want to transfer from. So like the way I named my accounts Trading News 1, Trading News 2. So you click maybe Trading News 1, then you select the account where it has to go, which is the landing account. It's gonna be the ZAR, or if some of you have USD accounts, you can click on the USD landing account, but you will have to convert the money. Let me show you. When you click on the USD landing account, you will have to convert the money. You say the amount of rands, it's a 1,500, then it will have to calculate the rate. Here on calculate the rate, then once you are done, you will just submit. For me, it's gonna deny right now because the amount and everything are not adding up. I've gone on submit first. Okay, here after you calculate the rate, then you go, I accept this exchange rate if you're landing it to the USD account. But I'm sure most of you have already ZAR landing accounts. So, but when you go on ZAR landing account, you don't even need to calculate the rate. You just go on submit, and as you can see, it's refused because the money is not enough for me to withdraw. But when your money is enough, this is going to be a success, and that's what you do to remove money from the trading account to your landing account. Thank you so much once again.